Okay, y'all, so this is going to look similar to the video that I posted a couple days ago, but I promise you it's not the same video. Just keep watching. This is the beginning look, guys. I had promised you that I would show you the finale of what everything looked like. These are just the before, and this is the process that you seen in the previous video. And this is the bathroom, y'all, that I did almost 90% of it on my own. My husband painted it, but I did about 90% of the tiles on the floor. But this is just showing the beginning of the bathroom when we purchased this property, okay? So further in the clips, you will see what the ending result looked like, okay? I wanted to definitely do a lot to remodel the bathroom, but time just didn't permit. But I do think we did a pretty good makeover. So again, this is still just how it looked when we first purchased the building. But hold on, guys. Hold on. And the video is so detailed, not because I needed to show y'all all of that, but I was actually recording this to show it to someone that I was trying to get to help me remodel the bathroom. But that fell through. So anyway, this is another clip that you all saw, my preparing the wall to be painted. So here is the process of him painting the wall. And y'all, I think that black turned out absolutely wonderful. There is the completed black part of the wall. And this is just them removing the old stage or the old pulpit area. You saw that before. This is me and my son coming up with our plan as always. And this is me painting again. You saw this in the previous clip. I'm showing some of the previous clips because some people are new following me. So in case they didn't see it, I wanted to bring them up to par with what's going on. So again, he is just painting. Painting away. Here is our new design logo, y'all. I am absolutely in love with those colors. Here is the process once again. Still got a little bit of work to do. But as you can see, that stage was transformed. And wait a minute, y'all haven't seen anything yet. Hold on to your seat, okay? Hold on to your seat. Keep holding on. Hold on. Change is coming. Hold on. Change is coming. That's me picking up the logo sign. All right, we're getting it together. And those are the beautiful wreaths that I designed, y'all, to go with our beautiful colors in the logo. Ready-mix concrete patch. And here is the process of me in the bathroom showing y'all what I did. Just begin to just put it right here. We just want to come in and repair the unevenness on the floor. We're going to speed on through this part, I believe. An actual spatula. But my husband has not gotten here yet, and I am ready to get show on road, y'all. So I'm just going to be using this right here. You guys that do not follow me know that, well, if you don't follow me, you may not know. But for those of you that follow know that we are in the process of doing some construction and repair to the building that we purchased for cash. And so we are having our opening in a couple of days, and I wanted to give the bathroom a facelift. We're not able to do as much as we want to do right now because of time permitting, but we do want to make sure that things are looking nice and presentable. So we're just going through and doing a little bit of patchwork until we get things the way that they need to be. Okay, guys? So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like after it dries and right before I start to put the rest of the tiles on the floor. Okay, so I'm just going to go in and continue to fill in this crack. You want to make sure that you don't leave cracks and holes when you are doing a project so that when you go in to put your new items or your new product on top of it, it doesn't lift or come up, okay? So that's why we're filling in right here. Let me get that piece of grout out of there. Okay, so that's why we're doing this, guys. So, guys, so this video, of course, is much different from the norm. I'm gonna include some clips. I think I still have some old clips of how the floor looked before. It's actually still in the process, so it's not completed. But I wanted to show you guys how I am available. I mean, how I'm able to do these tiles on the floor. They are the sticky tiles, the DIY. I want to show you guys just how simple this is. I am a lady that have little experience in carpentry. My husband is a carpenter, but me, as far as actually putting my hands to the plow, I have very limited experience. So I just wanted to show you guys how I'm doing it. And I also have cracks here in the cement. So we're going to, well, I'm going to prepare, and y'all excuse my little work shoes I got on, but I got on my little work shoes and work clothes today. But I'm gonna show you guys how I'm going to repair this and continue to put the tiles on, okay? Okay, so here is the part of the floor where the repair has been made to the concrete. And now I'm proceeding to finish my tiles, y'all. I'll show you what the completed look is looking like shortly. Okay, y'all, so here is the completed full floor of the bathroom. I did about 80% of it, and then my husband came in and did the finishing patches and finishing touches, guys. But I think I did a pretty good job. The bathroom is now complete. There are some things that needs to be updated and remodeled in here, but for the most part, we've gotten it to look presentable and up to par for our opening. And I wanted to give off the effect of a queen's palace when you walk in here. I wanted the ladies to feel like they were a queen, guys. So yeah, this is pretty much what we've come up with. I have several other things I need to do. I want to put some knobs on these cabinets. We were going to change them out, but I'm not going to do that as of yet. And I need to change the faucet out. So since I'm not going to replace the cabinet, I'm just going to buy some knobs to go on it, and bam, there you go, just a completed different type of look, okay? So here it is. I think we did pretty good, y'all. What you think? Comment below, let me know what you think. Here is the completed look of the sanctuary. We have to get some more chairs, but for right now, this is what it is. Y'all, I am so in love with this sign because I seen this sign in a vision. My son designed the logo. We had it made by someone, but the actual yellow on the side of the sign was a vision that I had, and I think it came out pretty good. We designed the wood, my husband cut it, we painted it, and he put it on the wall. So what y'all think? And here is the finished look of the arrangements that I transferred you guys.
I'm out to the ranges. That looks really nice. It looks like it's got an echo to it.
But
He's got mine. I said my keys got mine.
so pretty. And the knees kind of just like I seen in my vision.
Wow.